Ma, will you punch your daughter for $1 million?
I will do it for Nutella.
Who ate my Jollibee spaghetti?
I was not born to be a thief. But there's a thief in this house. And we will find out who she is.
She?
They or them.
I miss your dad. It's so big.
Day 1 of my diet. Day 3 of my diet. 1 week of my diet.
They're not gonna believe me, Mom.
Shut up and listen to your mom. Smile. Grandchildren,
Yes, Grandma.
who do I look like?
Beyonce.
Don't teach them how to lie, ma.
Grandchildren, what are you going to say to them?
Be quiet, idiot.
Mga kulto to sis.
Kung leader.